So hello everybody, how is your Monday going? I have a small announcement to make. My template app for Google Analytics, it is back up. So for those of you that have installed it that couldn't find it anymore, the reason is that the connector, the Google Analytics connector, stopped working before Christmas, and it took like a month and a half to get it back. So I had to take the app down because we were trying to install it and getting all types of errors. Now Microsoft and Google fixed that, so the connector is back up, and so is my template app. So if you want to download it again, it is available on the AppSource in Microsoft. You just search for Google Analytics and then the app will show up, okay? So hope you get it back. Now I have added a new page to the app, and it is a lead generation page. So you can actually use Google Analytics to get leads. You will have to kiss a few frogs before you get your prince, but you can get some princes there. It's quite cool. So give it a go. There's going to be 2 videos that will get released before this video, after this video is finished. One is how to get this new page configure and even the entire app in case you haven't seen it before. And the other one is how the new lead generation page works. So you will have a few videos to watch on Monday. Now, one more thing. You have asked me if it is possible to purchase the Power BI file, the template app. And I have made it available for purchase on my web shop. So if you go to Curbal.com and then you go to shop template apps, you'll see here the Google Analytics app that is available for purchase in case you want to get the file and customize it so it fits your needs better, okay? So I hope you enjoy the Google Analytics app. Give it a go. Before you purchase, give it a go. Make sure that it works for you. And if it works, then you can come here and purchase it. Don't do it the other way because you might run into trouble. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the app. I will continue putting pages in there for you because I love Google Analytics. You guys know that already probably. And I hope you can enjoy it and have a lot of fun working with it. So this is all for Monday. I will see you again on Wednesday with another Power BI video as always. So until then, make sure you take care and bye bye.